Thoughts are in my mind, and my soul soars enchanted as I hear the sweet lark sing in the clear air of the day. For a tender beaming smile to my heart has been granted. On tomorrow he shall hear all my fond heart would say. Tell him all my love, all my sweet adoration, and I know that he will hear and will not say me nay. It is this that gives my soul joyous elation as I hear the sweet lark sing in the clear air of the day. It is this that gives my soul all its joyous the sweet lark sing in the clear